Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Compost essentially is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $57.59 in an unpretentious manner. Comp's certainly intraday volume most certainly remains at $103 to 700 in an unobtrusive manner. Compound presently exchanges close $58.14. The $48.63 support level for Compost in every practical sense is major areas of strength for truly, sort of is genuinely critical. Zo5 Walk 2024. In this we will walk you through compound cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and especially attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What generally is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for compound is comp a very wise venture, which generally is genuinely critical. Compound help and obstruction levels and so forth in a truly significant manner. Yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the comp specialized investigation, generally let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, exhibiting that compound right now exchanges close $58.14. The $48.63 support level for Compost in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the in every way that really matters last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $2,409,922 forward 26,175, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume remains at $222 to 7941,232, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63 on 1347 level after a decay of 398%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of zone 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a cost difference in 251% within a similar time period, which sort of shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of some 33% coming to $3 to 610 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. Sol, the in every way that really matters local coin of Solana for the most part is up by 219 and right now exchanging at $132.24 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.8% in esteem, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63 on 1347 level after a decay of 398%, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing fall, especially momentary in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, are for the most part broad in every practical sense. Negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that compound help and opposition levels and so on, or so they all things considered thought. Compound help and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that 05 Walk 2024. In this we will generally walk you through compound cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on some things facts. What essentially is truly momentary cost expectation for compound, for the most part is comp a genuinely wise speculation, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support certainly is a level at which purchases generally become kind of more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a cost difference in 251% within a similar time period, which sort of shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which merchants for the most part move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Pretty further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of compound execution. The sort of day-to-day graph of compound really shows that the comp cost especially has basically flooded up with a 973% increment in beautiful beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how right now a very broad essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that compound help and opposition levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. The value worth of the compound comp coin in a real sense is remaining at $58.14 with market capitalization $464 at 27 and 24 USD, sort of additional appearance how compound help and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Comp cost changes 10.26% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around 103,807, 700 was noticed in a truly significant manner. Compound value examination comp cost investigation for ZO5 walk 2024 inside a kind of everyday time period in a real sense made sense of underneath, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We use in every practical sense relative strength indexes, moving most. Certainly normal assembly and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving essentially normal smart and remarkable moving truly normal and made to by and large break down the future development of the compound, which truly is very huge. Compound effectively breaks its most memorable obstruction level of $57.59, showing how similarly opposition generally is a level at which dealers basically move certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Presently comp in every practical sense has an actually the closest obstruction of $60.37, exhibiting that help fundamentally is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more kind of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a cost difference in 251% within a similar time period, which basically shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very huge. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would for the most part support the upswing energy, so which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63,930